Today we're making this tornado, and it's not a real tornado, only made out of water. Do this outside, it might spill. And by the way, my name is Victoria. You'll get this at Kid Space. And it doesn't come with these bottles, it only comes with these. You have to get like a bottle the same amount and I meant the same height, and if it has this, it's okay. You know why? Because you can always do this, so you can see. Okay, get this amount of water, and then this is how you make it. This is not good, you know why? This is not the tornado. You have to wait a little. It's okay if it drops because it's in the floor outside. Look. It takes a little practice doing this because today is my first day doing this, and see this. I'm gonna tell you this is good because this is a tornado. And look, if it stops, just keep on doing it. If it does that, just try to like hit it on the top or hit it on the side so it could get down, and that's how you do it. If you want to do it again, you just go like this. See this one more time? This is not good because that's not the tornado. I'm going to show you what's the tornado once it's all done. Look, see this? This is the tornado.
Wow.
And you could do it all over if you want. I'm going to remind you one more time. My name is Victoria. Bye. Thank you for watching this video.